showing off now. Watch.
Oh, like the dad over there.
Hey, mister.
He's like, Dad, where's my boo? Where's my boo? Your turn, Dad.
Hey, Henry. Henry. Boo. Kinda, not really.
Good. Good.
Hello? Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. I will put the food away then. That's alright. Alright. Just any time, just give me a call, you know. After this is my last week of my program. After that, I got all free time. I'll be home by 4 o'clock every day. Maybe we can watch a movie or something. Get ready? Alright? Alright, bye-bye. Aaron can't come.
Watch Henry giggle.
Oh, I've been listening.
Watch his face.